Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a theory which was being implemented by Halford John Mackinder in the year 1904, which is called as the Heartland Theory. Halford John Mackinder had written an article named The Geographical Pivot of History, and he had submitted this article to the Royal Geographical Society in the year 1904. This theory is a geopolitical concept which shows and tells us that which countries are in the pivot or the central regions of the world and which hold a very powerful position. In this article, there was a phrase which said that who rules East Europe commands the heartland, who rules the heartland commands the world island, and who rules the world island commands the world. According to this theory, it explains that there are certain regions of the world which are centrally located and they control all the land areas of the world, as also they have a global dominance. According to the Heartland Theory, the central part of Eurasia, which is Europe and Asia together, including the modern day Russia, Central Asia, parts of Eastern Europe, they are forming the heartland or the pivot area. This region is the heart of the world. They dominate all the other islands and all the peripheral regions or the neighboring countries of the world. Now, the world island is the combined continents of Europe, Asia, and Africa. According to the theory, the heartland also dominates and rules over the world islands. The peripheral areas or the outer regions or the outer islands include Americas, Australia, and Britain. They all come under the dominance of the heartland according to this theory. Now, there are some reasons why the heartland is so powerful. The first reason is that it is rich in various kinds of resources like minerals, oil, petroleum, land resource, water resource, etc. They also are protected by the natural barriers, which are the mountains and the glaciers of the north or of the Arctic. This particular heartland is landlocked. That means they do not have any oceans or water bodies which can be easily covered and attacked. So no other country can attack them according to the heartland theory, because the central or the pivot region is landlocked. It is covered or it is basically protected by mountains and barriers. According to the Heartland Theory, the peripheral or the outer islands, including Americas, Australia, as well as Britain, are all waterlogged. They are covered or they are basically surrounded by water bodies. Therefore, they are easily attacked by armies, as well as they live in isolation. They are separated from the pivot or the central regions or countries of the world, which are the most powerful and technologically most advanced countries of the world, which will dominate even in the future according to the Mackinder's Heartland Theory.